Welcome back, visual learner. Let's combine a little bit of geometry, and a little bit of Christmas, and a little bit of symmetry. And let's see if we can create something interesting and something that's appropriate for Christmas decorations around the classroom. Let's fold this. This is a standard 8.5 by 11 sheet. Doesn't have to be this size, but this is the size that I have. So let's fold it in this direction first. Crease it, then fold it in half again. And crease it. Now, along the long side, fold it one more time in half. We want the crease. That's what we're interested in. We want to see this crease. Now that we have that, make sure that we have the corner where all the edges are intersecting. We do not want all the open-ended corner. We want this corner where the edges or the vertices are all intersecting each other. So now we take this corner, the one that I'm tapping, and it's going to land on this crease, and the edge of the paper is going to pass through this vertex. And when we do that, we've created a 30, 60, 90 triangle. That's a common operation we've done before. Alright, let's do it in the back. This time we're just going to use what we've done and create a congruent triangle by making this edge collinear to the edge of the other triangle. And so you can see here that we have the following figure. So let's now fold this on top of each other so that we have all these 30-degree triangles on top of each other. Except that we want to see this edge here. Now we have to eyeball the midpoint between the vertex here and the back of this. We'll just eyeball the center. Doesn't have to be exact. We need to do that because we're going to cut it. If it helps, let me cut this excess first so that you have a right angle here, and let's see, from the bottom of this short leg we're going to cut to the midpoint of the altitude. Even though this is the long leg and this is the short leg of this right triangle, this is also called the altitude of the triangle. And this is the midpoint. So we're going to cut like that. And we're not going to open it up. We're going to now decorate this. We're going to just, these cuts are entirely arbitrary. You are free to cut as you see fit. And so I'm going to cut in a variety of shapes, some big, some small, some, let's say, rectangular, like that, and some, I'm going to make some common shapes here, like triangles, like so. Here we go, in case you can't see it very well. Take a look at it. And let's cut on the other side also. On the other side, we're going to actually cut more of an organic shape. We're going to go in and out, and then we're going to go in again and out again. Now that may look like it's just a shape, but now when we open it up, let's clean up this background here. And let's move this out of the way a little bit, because now when we open this up, it's a little bit delicate. Takes a little bit of care to open it up, but you'll see that it has a great deal of symmetry, delicate shapes that we don't want to tear. So we have to open it up a little bit carefully. And little by little, it begins to open up. And here we are. We've created a six-pointed snowflake in blue on black background. And we didn't do a lot of thinking or drawing or fussing. We just created this this star, or this snowflake, which will be a beautiful addition to the classroom or to your bedroom or to your Christmas tree. And it all came from a little bit of geometry and a little bit of symmetry and just a little bit of fun with the scissors. Be bold, be creative, don't be afraid, and you'll always get something interesting and quite beautiful. See you in the next demo. Happy Christmas!